Hey there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this type of promotional banner on your GoHighLevel page, which has the button as well as the close button. Okay, the call to action as well as the close button. Okay, so this type of sticking banner is important when you want to show some type of offer on your landing page or website when someone land on your page instantly. Okay, so let me show you how we can create this type of banner, and before getting started, let me click the close button. Okay, so if we click close, then the banner get hidden, right? So if we reload the page again, then it will be showed up. Okay, so let me show this. Yeah, that is it. So this banner is fully editable, and we can make the design by using our GoHighLevel page editor. Okay, as well as it will be fully functional like this. Okay, so let's get started to make this type of banner. Here I am on a page. I just added some element here. Okay, and I'm going to add a banner at the top of this page. Okay, so let me take a section. Okay, I'm going to take a full width section, and then I will take it at the top, and then I will add 2-column row. At the first column, I will put a subject line. Okay, let me make it bold. Okay, and then I will put a button here. This is our call to action button. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to make this banner black. Okay, and now the font will be white text. Okay. So the text is white, and now we will add another button. So this will be our close button. Okay, so let me make the background transparent, and then the font color will be red. Okay, so you can actually design as your own. Okay, so I'm just showing you some basic design, but you can put your own content, the button text, as well as this is the close button, so you don't need to put any text here. All you just put a close icon. Okay, so put an icon, close icon. This is the close icon I'm going to put. I will make this a bit bigger. Okay, and then I will make 5-pixel padding left, right, top, and bottom. Okay, so and then I will put the code on our custom CSS. I already copied the code from our members area. Okay, here is the code. All we now need to just delete these IDs. This is the section ID, and this is the close button ID. Okay, so let me do it. And before that, one more thing we need to do for this close button, we need to add an action. Okay, so the button action, it will be height element. So when someone click the button, the intersection will be hidden. Okay, so we need to select the section. I think I will have the section. Here is the section I want to hide, and then let me get the section ID. Here is it, and then go back to the CSS, replace this section ID. Okay, and then click this button, go to advanced, and get the CSS selector, and then go back to the code editor. Just replace this button select. Okay, so this is all you need to do. So one more thing as a disclaimer I want to say, this code are hidden because this is the part of our premium membership of CSS code snippet, so that's why it's hidden. So you will get the full code when you purchase this product. Okay, so let me save it, and then save the page. You can see our button is now at the top right corner. So let me preview. If everything goes well, then we should have the banner at the top. Okay, you can see we have the banner now. You can also adjust the banner padding, like let me make it 5 pixel so that it can be a bit narrow. 5 pixel top, 5 pixel bottom. Okay, so now it looks good, right? If we want to make this text a bit bigger, that is also possible. Actually, you can make your own design, okay, for the banner, and then you can use it on your website. Okay, so let me preview it again. So now it looks a bit better, right? So if we click this close button, then it will be hidden. But if we reload the page again, then it will come back to the page. Okay, so each time when someone visit your page, they will see the banner, and if they want to close that, that is also possible. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel, because we are making so many different type of code snippet, especially for GoHighLevel, to make your page, your funnels more functional and user friendly and high converting. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.